morning, friends. Happy Thursday. It is 8:30. Everyone in the house is still sleeping, with the exception of Eric, who's not in the house. He's off at work. I told my boys that this summer we were not going to spend every single day sleeping all day and doing whatever we wanted. We were going to get on a really good schedule and stay on top of things. That way, it's a nice, productive, not super lazy summer. However, I'm going to start that out on Monday. Starting Monday, Robbie has conditioning first thing in the morning for soccer, and we're going to get on a really good routine and schedule, because I think that's important. I think that my kids thrive better when they're on a good schedule and routine. But today's only Thursday. It's the first official day of summer vacation. I'm letting them sleep in as long as they want. Robbie, actually probably not as long as he wants, because given that opportunity, he'll sleep until 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I'm not going to get him up super early. I'm just going to let them sleep and kind of do what they want this morning. I think Robbie wants to go fishing today, so we might do that for a little while. I have an appointment with my optometrist to get my eyes checked, and then Robbie has a birthday party this evening, so should be a pretty good day. Very low-key, chill kind of day. We'll get into a good routine, but these first couple of days we're just going to chill, and it's going to be lovely. So, I'm having my coffee and a big old glass of water, trying to make sure I stay hydrated. This has been a goal of mine lately, trying to get back on track with healthier lifestyle. Not necessarily weight loss, just being healthier. If weight loss comes with that, then good, but it's not my focus right now. So, having my water, having my coffee, just kind of catching up on things online. I just posted yesterday's vlog. I didn't really make a giant announcement about it, but I am going to be vlogging all summer long. I'm not going to be posting it on a super rigid schedule, though. I'm just going to kind of post things when I post them. There'll be a video most every day, but you know, I'm going to include some other videos in there too, in addition to the vlogs, like my grocery hauls and cleaning videos, and, you know, the same types of videos I always post. So, there will be vlog footage from every day this summer, but it's not going to go up like the very next day, like last summer. I did my summer vlogging series, and the vlogs were posted a day later, so it was a very rigid editing schedule. I'm not holding myself to that this summer. But there will be vlog footage from every day this summer. It'll just might be a few days before you guys see it, and I hope you're okay with that. So, I'm going to go answer some YouTube comments now, finish up my coffee, and just kind of chill, and I'll check in with you guys in a bit. And I was just looking at my video from yesterday and realized that my thumbnail says June 12th, 2016. So apparently we are time travelers now. I keep typing 2016 whenever I'm doing my titles and things. I don't know why. Definitely not 2016, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna have to go back and make a new thumbnail for that, because it's a little silly, but at least I got it right in the title. How many of you noticed that? Let me know in the comments below if you noticed that it said 2016. Alright, so I'm doing a little bit of meal prep. I'm cooking up some sausage. This is going to be for breakfast burritos. In fact, this looks like it is pretty well done. So, go ahead and shut that off. And then I just have some zucchini cooking up here. I actually really love zucchini in my eggs. So, cooking up a big old batch of zucchini to serve with eggs this week. I'm going to be chopping some bell pepper and some onions, both for my egg concoction, as well as we're going to have some steak fajitas tonight, so I'll go ahead and get that done, just kind of in bulk. And then I'm going to throw some eggs in the pan for some breakfast burritos, throw those together for breakfast today, and hopefully have some left to freeze. And that is my morning. It is 9:35, kids are both still. Alright, so I have a huge mess going on, but cooked up a whole bunch of zucchini. I have a whole bunch more still to chop and cook. Got my sausage there. Got the first batch of eggs in the pan. Typically when I do a big batch of burritos, I do them in the oven, but I just didn't feel like kicking the oven on, so I'm just going to scramble up the eggs and sausage on the stove top in a couple of batches. I'm not making a huge portion of these burritos, just making, you know, however many I get, and then what we don't eat I will freeze. And then I have a ginormous pot here, my Copper Chef pan, which I love, of the Dynamic Duo, some bell pepper and onion. I've got green, orange, red, and yellow in there. It's a pretty little rainbow, so that's that. Okay, so we ended up with 8 pretty large breakfast burritos. So whatever the kids don't eat this morning, I will freeze up. I also chopped some strawberries to go with that. And then over here, I have my breakfast. This is going to be a couple of days worth. It is just 4 eggs in the pan here with the bell pepper, onion, and zucchini, and the sausage. No cheese in mine. Cheese, sausage, and eggs went into the breakfast burritos. And then I'll serve those with salsa. So, that's my meal prep. I still need to cook up the rest of the zucchini. Sorry about the camera shadow. It is what it is. And then clean up this mess. But first I'm gonna eat. Alright, Austin, how's the burritos?
Really good.
Good. And then here's my plate. It's breakfast. And plenty for Robbie when he wakes up. So by the time Robbie got up and had breakfast and got himself showered and ready for the day, we figured that we didn't really have time for fishing. So we just came to this little park right here by us. It's a park and it's an old Air Force base, I think. And there's a bunch of trails and things that you can walk. So we're gonna just go for a little walk and enjoy some outdoor time before I have to be at my appointment. But there's a little park over there that the kids sometimes play at. And it's just a beautiful day, so we're going for a little hike. This guy slept till noon when I finally woke him up. Say good morning, Robbie, or good afternoon. Say hi.
Hi.
Why are you always so grumpy? You not want to be on camera?
No.
Okay. How about you? You want to be on camera?
Hi.
Isn't it beautiful outside today? So we're gonna go for a little walk, get some exercise in, and enjoy the outdoors before we have to head back for lunch and my appointment. So this is kind of cool. They have a little flying field here for remote control airplanes and things. I guess there's some kind of club you can join if you're into that sort of thing. But they have all this area here for that. And it's kind of cool. Not something that really interests me, but interesting nonetheless. Okay, so we're taking a little break on a bench here because I am not in shape at all. When I was going to the gym all the time, I could walk and even do a little bit of running for long periods of time. We haven't even made it a mile and I'm breathing hard. My calves are killing me. So I definitely need to get myself back in shape. Hanging out over here. They're getting a little old for park play, but you know, it's a beautiful day. Why not? Hi. Can I take some pictures of you guys on this bridge, please? Okay guys, quick lunch before I head off to my appointment. Just having a garden salad with some cottage cheese. I just cracked some pepper on there because I love cottage cheese and pepper. And then I have some turkey breast slices and a little bit of Colby Jack cheese. Okay, so I am done at the eye doctor and I'm wearing these super sexy things here over my glasses because I had my eyes dilated. I have to come back in a couple of weeks to do some kind of pressure test because the pressure in my eye was high or something. So I had to come back for that, like baseline testing. He's not really concerned about it, but he just wants to keep an eye on it over the course of the years. So be back in a couple of weeks for that. But for now, I'm headed to Dunham's to get a gift card for Robbie's friend for his birthday, and then we're going to drop him off at his birthday party. So let's go. Okay, so it's 5:30. I just got back from dropping Robbie off at his party, which he'll be at until about 9 o'clock tonight. My eyes are still wicked dilated and I've got a bit of a headache. So I need to be starting dinner, but I'm gonna hold off for another half an hour or so. Oh, I hate having my eyes dilated. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. So, Eric is on his way home. I'm just going to, the only thing I have to do is cook up the steak for the steak fajitas. I already did the peppers and onions and all the other prep work, so it's gonna be really quick throwing dinner together. So, no worries about cooking it up a little bit late. So I'm gonna close my eyes here for about 20 minutes till he walks in the door and then make dinner. Steak, peppers and onions, cheese. It's time